Hey guys, it's Cam from Flaming Coals and Barbecue Spit Rotisseries. I'm going to teach you a little bit now about fire management using a Woodfire pizza oven. So we've got our pizza oven lit, we've got the fire pushed to the back, which is generally where I like to keep most of that fire. Some people like to use the sides of the oven, but I find down the back and having that flame wisp across the pizzas is the best way to go. Then we're about to add another log. Now there's a few ways you can add this. I like to use a split bit of iron bark just like this. Any good hardwood is the way to go. About this size when you're adding fuel, because the smaller the pieces we can add a little bit more and keep that fire real steady. So the fire is lit always at the front, and like I said, we've pushed it to the back and we're about to add a log. Now the other way you can do this is pre-warm the log just inside the door there for 5-10 minutes, and it's going to catch a lot quicker. We're not going to do that today, we're just going to put it straight on. So we've got our Flaming Coals heat-proof glove on. And we're simply going to grab the log and push it to the back on top of the fire. Right. Now we've got 2 or 3 logs on there burning at the moment. We just want to add a little bit more heat. So we've got our wood scraper in there just to push it back, and we've got some nice build up of embers. So generally I like to use 1 to 2 logs at a time, but at the moment I've got 3 logs burning on there, which is going to give a really nice even heat and nice hot heat. We want the pizzas that are going in to take about 90 seconds to cook. Really handy bit of tool to have is obviously your heat glove. That allows me not to be burnt while I'm in there. And this wood scraper, really handy to push that log around or get some embers in and out.